Okay, everyone, I have been looking for a vase to go in that niche in my entryway. I wanted something taller, and so I found this at Goodwill. Now, I looked for it online, and I found the one that's larger, that's smaller, and the one that's smaller is like 60 bucks, $70, something like that. Now, here's the sticker that was on it. Let me turn it around. Showed you that I paid $9.99 for this vase. Now, one this size runs around 170, 180, maybe higher. I'm going to show you a measuring tape and show you how tall it is. Now, I'm going to spray paint it, and I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum. And the color is Ivory Bisque. This is the color I'm going to use on this. So I want to get it back close to the original color as it was. So let's get started. Now, I've done 3 coats of paint on it to cover up that dark gray that I didn't like. But here it is in the house sitting in the niche. And I'm showing you how the color difference. I like this kind of beigey look. And I think it looks really good now that it's not so dark and jumping out at me. It looks a little softer sitting in here. Now it takes up more space in the niche than it did before with the other vase. The other vase was my mom's and I still am going to use it somewhere in my home. Now this is how it looks with the books beside it, just giving you a little look-a-loo at how it's going to be. Now here's the other vase that was there before. You see the difference in the height. Now once it is styled, I'm sure you will enjoy it just as much as I'm going to. Let me know what you think about the vase down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments, and I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me.